Trying to run to keep up, I'm falling further and further each day. How can I sleep when I always feel miles and miles away?
Okay guys, welcome back again to Gateaux Kitchen. Jodi am bral fon ti video pour nous. Que moi gen yon nan subscriber yo qui te mandé pour me te faire vidéo ça pour lui. So m pral faire vidéo ça pour lui, un gâteau qui relè gâteau aux fruits renversés. So c'est gâteau ça que nous pral faire jodi a pour nous capable mettre sous channel là pour zami nou yo qui te mandé nous vidéo ça. Ça nous pral besoin pour nous faire vidéo ça. Jodi a m pas faire comme si basic Haitian cake. I use this pre-made flour to make it because I don't have to do it with the other flour because I already have many cake on the channel that you see how I did it. So today I'm gonna use that flour to make that video. Okay, so what we're going to need, the first thing, it's gonna be that flour. It's gonna be that flour we're gonna need. Then we're gonna need 6 eggs because each one of them you have to use 3 eggs. So I'm gonna make 2 of them, so we need 6. Okay, and we're gonna need 1 cup of oil instead of butter, so I'm gonna use oil. This is optional. If you want to put some dry resin on it, you can, but it's optional. Moi-même m'a mette li parce que you don't have to put it in. Okay, okay, nous supposons utiliser 2 cups of water, but instead of using the water, I'm using the juice of the fruit. I use that pineapple to make it. Instead of using water, I use the juice of the fruit to make it. Okay, this is 2 cups, and then we're gonna start the recipe. So because this already pre-made, it has everything. It has like vanilla, cinnamon, everything that to give it taste. It already have it, but I just take mine to put a little bit on it just to pour me lever li. So m gen un ti vanilla que m pral mette la dani et m gen de qualité. Ma vais mettre un petit bagay dans li et puis nous gen un ti cinnamon. Nous gen un ti nutmeg que nous pral mette la dedans, but nous pas mettre en pile parce qu'elle gen tout déjà. Juste pour nous capable un petit extra taste. So m'a mettre un petit cal dans yo. Et puis nous gen cerise rouge que nous pral mettre la dedans, ça nous relè cherry ici. It's not easy to get the green one, but I managed to get the green one, so I'm gonna make it with the green one also. So this is green cherry and this is red cherry, and we use that pineapple can. Well, I open it upside down, so that pineapple can to make it. Okay, so rete bon ensemble avec nous pour nous faire cake là pour capable ouais nous pas faire tout ça nous qu'on fait dans l'autre vidéo yo, since everything's already pre-made. So we're just gonna do it like that. Nous vide farine nous la donner qui gen tan gen sucre, qui gen tan gen tout bagay. Nous vide farine nous. Ni pre-sifted. Okay. Aqui ton petit casse dans ça pour nous ka mettre raisin pour raisin capable dry dans farine là. Oops, I didn't want it like that, but okay guys, mes farine là pour les ça nous pourrons faire, nous pourrons casser à la donner. Nous pourrons casser yo. Okay, play that. Is it playing? Okay guys, this is the eggs and the flour. Okay, like I said, we're gonna put everything together. Okay, that's the eggs and this is the oil. Be careful lo ap mette zè pour calze pas tomber la dedans. This is 1 cup of oil. Instead of butter, we make it with oil because that's what is in the instruction on this. So we use this, and we're gonna use 2 cups of juice. Okay, and we're gonna put a little bit of vanilla, not a lot since it already have some. I usually put a little bit zest of citron, but I don't have citron, so like I said, it's already pre-made. We don't really need it, but I used to do that. I like to do that, to put a little bit to just make it, give it taste. Okay, this is nutmeg. I put a little bit, and this is cinnamon. I put a little bit, and then we're gonna use our mixer. Nous allons mettre les raisins que nous te mettons dans la farine. Il y a des gens qui mettent les raisins dans les fait décoration dans les bottes. Moi même mettre dans la farine. C'est comme ça que je apprends à faire. Guys, ça c'est plateau nous que nous graisser. Oubliez pour me quitter ton petit farine pour me passer là-dedans. But it's okay. Ça c'est pineapple nous. Okay? Nous sécher bien séché. When you're doing it, you need to dry it very nice. And we're gonna place it in your plateau. Okay? Place them in your plateau. This is a big plateau, so okay. Sécher ça 2 fois parce que you're supposed bien dry, okay. Mettez une là. Mettez une là. Si vous voulez mettre trop pineapple tout, it's okay. Nous mettez une là, okay? This is it. Now we have our cherry that we were drying also. We're gonna put one red here. It's up to you the way you want to do it. Because I have more red than green. I'm gonna see how should I do it. Or probably let me just put it like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, and this, like that. Okay, you see the base of it? It looks so nice. We do it like that. if the plateau will take everything, but I don't want to put everything on it because now we're gonna put our beater. Let me make sure that everything is there. Okay, we're gonna put the okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay guys, this is the cake, the fruit renversé cake. Haitian people call it Gateaux fruit renversé. I don't know how they call it here. So this is Gateaux fruit renversé. C'est comme ça li sorti. Ça un petit jan ouvert parce que on t'a battu une vidéo sous ça, mais ça trop petit pour lui. So moi pendant ma retourner sous ça, li un petit jan ouvert. But c'est comme ça cake là. OK guys, mais cake là, mais gâteau fruit renversé. Si vous faites li, make sure vous vidéo nos bagaille qui le même large avec lui ou bien plus gros que lui, parce que c'est parce qu'elle est trop petite, ça trop petit qui fait ils font ouvrir, but ça retire rien là-dedans. This is the cake. I hope you guys like it. My subscribers that asked me for it, I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend. Don't forget to put on your post notification, and don't forget to comment. Okay, I will be seeing you again for another video. Okay, this is it for now. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys. Thank you.